The Clarke XEV16 150 is one from a range of British-built heavy-duty industrial air compressors. Available with either a 230-volt single-phase or a 400-volt three-phase motor, these commercial compressors are fed from a 30-amp supply. Built and assembled by professional, experienced engineers at Clarke's purpose-built UK workshop for nearly 50 years, these highly reliable belt-driven air compressors are sprayed twice with high-quality, corrosion-resistant hammer-finish paint, prolonging the life and aesthetics of these machines. With the air capacity and power to drive many of the most commonly used tools, the XEV16 150 air compressor will satisfy the air requirements of garages, small factories, workshops and farms. It is especially suited to paint spraying, drilling and any operation which requires a high throughput of air. This unit benefits from a V-twin pump, an aerodynamic bladed flywheel, positive splash feed piston lubrication, and twin cast iron cylinders, all leading to efficient, cool running and smooth operation, contributing to a long life for this quality air compressor. It features an air receiver pressure gauge and a safety pressure relief valve. The 3-horsepower motor displaces 14 cubic foot per minute, filling the huge 150-litre pressure tank to 150 psi or 10 bar in around 5 minutes. This UK-built heavy-duty unit must be bolted to the floor, and it's recommended that the feet are fitted with anti-vibration floor mountings, which are available from your local Clarke stockist. Each model is put through stringent quality control measures and is tested to ensure the utmost quality you would expect from a Clarke compressor. With huge stocks of the full range available for immediate dispatch, the XEV16 150 will provide you with many years of reliable service.